Hi there, Oscar Carmona, owner of Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery located in sunny Santa Barbara, California. I'm going to show you both how to transplant and how to separate the mint plant so that you can move it into a smaller container or sufficiently provide the plant with new growth. Mint is a vigorous growing plant, therefore it's a plant that you probably never want to plant in the middle of your garden. It grows from cuttings, side shoots, as well as from seed. So it can be fairly invasive in a garden setting. It's best planted around a spigot, off in the corner somewhere, or in a container. When mint plants have sufficient room for their roots to grow, they're very happy and you'll get a lot of lush green growth. In a container, after a while, the plant will start to die back and look really poor. And that's for you to know that it's an indicator that the root system inside the plant is pretty much contained, as you can see here. And there's no room for it to grow, and the plant gets sad because it can't develop further. If you wanted to take this whole plant and plant it into a container like this, that would work wonderfully, and then it would have enough room to continue to grow and it would get quite lush. Another way of dealing with it, and for my purposes I like to make a number of cuttings, so you can remove the bottom roots in a fashion like this, and it really doesn't hurt the plant. These are the roots at the very end of the root system. And you can literally pull apart sections of this plant. And the main thing to keep in mind is that whatever container that you put it into, you want to make sure that there's visually enough room for the roots to actually be able to fill out that space again. And that, like I said, that will make the mint plant very happy. So I'm just taking some time to pull apart the roots that have twined themselves around and around the pot, trying to look for more space. It's a vigorous plant, so I'm not being as delicate as I might with some other plants. It might look like I'm being rough, but the reality is this is a very hardy plant. And the main thing to know is, again, it needs space. So what I'm going to do is this is a large clump, too large for a container like this. We're just basically not giving it much space. So I'm going to reintroduce a section of this plant back into the 1-gallon pot. And I'm going to take the time to fill up around with the soil medium, and I want to make sure that this is pretty much at the level that it originally came in the pot. So I'll end up with a container or a pot like this with this mint, and it will continue to grow lush and green very quickly upon transplant. It's, as I said, it's a very hardy plant. And its main drawback is it doesn't get enough water, or it doesn't have enough room to grow. So transplanting mint is really a critical way of keeping your mint plant looking wonderful year-round. I'm Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery located in sunny Santa Barbara, California. Happy gardening.